Hi my babies, it's Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review on this hair from Freetress Equal. It is the 6-inch lace part wig in the style Maxi. I got it also in the color SOP 430 and y'all, I'm in love with this hair. Like, good. Hello. I'm like, seriously, I love this hair. It's so nice. It really is. It's like springtime popping, summertime's here, girl. Where is the sundress? The parting in this wig is just look at it, girl. Did you see it? Because I just love it. I love the depth of it, because you know you get a center part and sometimes it stops right here and it looks hella wiggy. Like, nobody wants their wig to look like a wig. I also copped this hair from Sam's Beauty. If I did not say that, I got this hair from Sam's Beauty for, I don't know, I'll put the price right here as to how much I paid for it, but I did purchase it from Sam's Beauty. The shipping took about a week. On the website they said that they have a $4.99 flat rate shipping. Whenever I tried to use it, it didn't work for me. It told me that the area that I was in, it didn't work for, which kind of sucked. I wish it was more understandable, so to say, but whatever. Paid the regular $8 shipping and I received my wig in about a week, which is the standard shipping, and I love it. I love this wig. I love this wig. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and show you babies how I laid it and slicked it and popped it and all of that stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media outlets, which will be tagged down below in the description. If you want to see this super easy everyday no makeup look, it'll be linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. But enough talking, I'll go ahead and see you babies in my next video. Mwah. Bye. Hey my babies, it's Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig that I got myself from Sam. Okay, but let's get into the regular cap construction, which I'm sure it has the normal cap construction. Yeah. It has the adjustable straps, one comb in the back, as well as two combs in the front, here and here. It also only gives you this little part right here to work with. I mean, if you wanted to shift it from side to side, you know, slide the wig, you could definitely do that. But girl, I'm so eager to put this on. Is this baby hairs? I mean, they tried it. I mean, okay. Does the front have any? Okay, we got a couple little swoop downs in the front. Oh, good. Okay, let's put it on. Let's go ahead and throw her on. Wait, let me fix mine. Let me fix this. I normally have like the brown ones, the brown wig caps, so I don't have to worry about putting no powder down on my, you know, on the part, but whatever. Oh, good. Okay, my camera died. Ugh, well, it didn't die, overheated. Ugh, anyway, but yes, this hair, I haven't done anything to it yet. My camera died and I just left it alone. I didn't do nothing to it. Well, just putting it on, it looks really good. It's really full. It's really big. It's summertime fine hair, like, honey. So I do feel it shifting. It is moving quite a bit. So let's adjust these straps, because if I don't have to tack it down with no gots to be glue, then I don't want to. But then I also don't want to have a headache. You know, when you put your wig on too tight, you can literally feel it squeezing all the life out of your brain. Oh, this is on the side. That's actually pretty cute, but it feels weird on my ear, because, you know, it has like the ear tabs thing going on. So, I mean, it doesn't feel bad. And it fits perfectly. I have a big head. Well, it don't fit perfectly, but it's not a lot of shifty shift going on. But I am going to take some of my Got To Be Glued in the yellow container, and I'm going to try to get it just to stay in one spizot. So I'm going to take about so much, and I'm going to spread it across across my forehead, and then I'll blow dry it. Just across the front. Not too much. We ain't trying to lay this down for life. We just want to put it down enough so that it ain't slipping and sliding all over the place. On blow dryer with this thing on there, because it gives it a direct, like, to go directly in a certain spot. And I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm gonna blow dry this Got To Be Glued on a cool setting. Okay, so I just blow dried it for 30 seconds, literally counting for 30 seconds. And I'm just gonna take it and stick it on down, let it press down into wherever it feels the need to lay, wherever I put it. So let's take it on down, take it on down. Security. Yeah, that's good. That works. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dry for another 30 seconds. My mom is going to kill me. I'm supposed to be meeting her for lunch, and I am doing a wig review, girl. Oh my god. I saw that it came with some baby hair, so I'm going to take this little comb on here, and I'm going to try to pick them out, just so I can maybe slick down a couple. Okay, it actually has a good amount of baby hairs. Oh wait, The side don't come with none. That's okay. I don't like this line of demarcation here. Like right there, you can see where the cap and like it's black right there, but that's okay. That's okay. That's all right, girl. It's a wig, whatever. I'm gonna take some clips and I'm going to clip back the hair so that yeah, go underneath the wig, girl. Go through the wig, just so that I can slick down some of these front pieces. Black got to be glued because this one doesn't get as flaky as this one. This one is good for tucking it down, holding it down, keeping it down under covers, you know, underneath. Trying to slick down baby hairs with this will leave you with that crispy, crackly, flaky white residue. This one doesn't, so I'm going in with this one. Put a little bit on the back of my hand, like so. And I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to get both sides of it. Wonderful. And these little hairs, I'm just going to brush them down. Oh God, oh God. Okay. Oh yeah, come on down. Come on. Oh wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of baby hair right there. So probably not all of you. Just some of you. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right. They're coming out of the woodworks. They are. I like, especially when I have a center part, I like to have this, you know, you got that baby hair that kind of comes from the other side, sort of, kind of a little bit. I like that a lot. Okay. And we'll just slick down. It doesn't go, the baby hairs don't go too far, which is cool. That's okay. And they're kind of hard to work with. Okay, so we got a little baby hair slicked down. I mean, nothing major, but we got some. So we got a little something. Right, so we'll do this side. See, one side baby hairs always come out better than the other side. But that's okay. I ain't even messed up about it. My front already not doing what I wanted to do. I want you to dip down a little bit. Dip down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Bring me to dip down a little bit. Dip down a little bit. Dip down a little bit. Ugh, what is you doing? All right, so I'm gonna take a little more just on my finger. I'm gonna brush it across. Okay, I don't know what's going on over here. Cool, cool, cool. That works. So I'm gonna tie this down for a little bit. My little scarf, my little scarfy scarf. And I'm going to go and get my daughter dressed because I'm supposed to have been left the house like 20 minutes ago. How long is this? Yeah, 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will come back and we'll do something with this party. We'll do something with the party. Okay, so I dressed my baby and I let this sit for a little while. Let's go ahead and untie this and see how my baby hairs came out. Dun, 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 dun. Big girl. 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 Who is this? Ding dong, new bitch. Let's get to this part before we get entirely too excited. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna take the sculpting color. We're gonna do that. So let's see how that comes out. Let's do this together. Praises that this comes out right. A little more realistic. I think it's a little light. Oh, my baby. I woke her up and dressed her, but I didn't pick her up. So I'm gonna apply that to the part, and it's looking real natural, you guys. And I'm just gonna rub it just to get that excess powder off the sides. Let me go grab her real quick. She'll be, let me just, she's so sleepy, you guys. I woke her up out of her sleep to dress her. But yes, so I went in and I put some powder down. It looks a whole lot more natural. A whole lot. Bless you, mama. It looks a whole lot more natural, and I'm absolutely loving this wig, you guys. Like, let me give y'all a length check. Like, honey, serving the length for sure. It doesn't say how long the wig is though, but it hits me like a 24-inch wig would. So, and I'm 5'2", so yeah, it's really looking good. But this wig is so pretty, you guys. I'm so loving this wig. Okay, this is the Freetress Equal 6-inch lace part wig in the style Maxi. This that I have on is the color SOP 430. Boom bang pow. I wanted to get the blonder one. I think I wanted to get the SOP 1B 30. No, that's not what I want to get. I think it's called the GX Bronze. Yes, this one. This one is the one that I wanted to get. It's a little more blonde, but whatever. This works too. I'm absolutely loving it. Like, y'all, this wig is looking laid, honey. Wind blows. Who's bothered? Not me. Gots to be glued. Got me tagged down, baby. Yes. Wind blow. You gotta do the wind blow checks, because some of y'all, I ain't gonna say some of y'all, because y'all might have it together, but some people be having the wind blows and it's looking like helmet head. It's looking like fresh lineup all in one. You know what I'm saying? It don't be looking good. So do the wind blow check yourself, and if it's looking good, then you good. You know what I'm saying? I highly recommend that you pick this wig up. I got it from Sam's Beauty for $24.99, $22.99, $26.99. I'll put the price on the screen so that you ladies know. Purchased it with my own money, and I don't regret it. I'm loving this hair. Like, y'all, it's serving me what it is that I need. Is it serving it, girl? It's serving it. She said it's serving it, baby, because it is. So I highly recommend going to get this wig. I'll come back to you guys with an update on this hair if y'all want me to. I'll wear it for a week and I'll let you know what it's like. I'll come back in a week and let y'all know. Let y'all know. Hey, let her know. Yeah, let her know, girl. Hey.